Welcome back to another video. This is a Malibu video. First off, a little bit of maintenance that we got to do. For one, the car's been sitting for like what, 3-4 days, and the battery died. So I don't get it, but this is still the OEM battery, so it's been time. It's sad but funny. The the Q and the Eclipse got an upgraded battery before the Malibu, so that's cool. Like I showed y'all before, I'm gonna hit up my boy Chris, talk to him, because yeah, can't be driving around like that. Don't even know how that happened, but the suspension is so rough. It's probably the reason. So while we work on it, I just got the car charging. But the meantime, what we're about to do is we're about to replace this trunk, probably for one, and for two, we're definitely about to see what we can do about this. This isn't necessary if the trunk can latch. The OEM trunk. Oh, perfect timing. This man Chris.
He always show when we finna do something major.
That's so funny. So yeah, we're about to knock this out and see what we could do. Cause like I showed Lamont, he was trying to hammer it out without taking out the sub. I was like, bro,
a little bit.
I know you did, but you got to get that room.
I got your room, Mom. Stay out of my room, Mom.
So we're about to knock that out. We got the whole new trunk. So we're going to do this first. And then from there, we're going to go from there. So, yeah, I'll get to y'all when we get to a major point, boys. The nice Chris. Lamont, you already know him. He loud. Okay. So we're gonna keep these taillights in because they don't need to come out. The other one has them. So we may do something cool with these in the future. Maybe not. But all the boys are about to do, because this is the entire harness. Why Chevy didn't make it a clip-on down here somewhere, don't know.
It is. There's part of in behind them panels.
Literally, once we take off those two screws and those two screws. No. These.
No, just pull the trunk.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Once we pull those four bolts, it'll be off. And Lamont, as y'all see, he pretty much hammered the hell out of this. So at this point, I think it's just the bumper that's fixed. Or it could be the dash bar. It could be anything, but I'll take this fitment over what it was.
And then I gotta bring this out just a little
Oh,
bit.
wait.
So that's about it.
We should have probably tested and see if we could close the trunk, but I don't think we will be able to because of this.
That's where the other trunk come in.
So yeah. So never mind.
You didn't.
But alright, guys, I will catch y'all when we get the other trunk.
I'm going in. I'm going in. I'm going in.
And I'm gonna go hard. And I'm gonna go hard. I'm gonna go hard.
So,
Hold on, you know what it is. If you heard Drake, earthquake.
bunch of clowns, I promise.
Oh, you're welcome.
So check me out, guys. So we got the new trunk on.
Idea. Hey, check me out.
Y'all stupid. Ironically, God dang, I took my arm out. So Chris just got done taking all these out because I was just yanking on the old fabric inner piece. That piece was like dirty as hell. We're about to test fit everything, but we got a new trunk on. Nah. She parks in the handicap. She alright. She got her own personal spot. Yeah.
I knew not to park there.
But yeah, guys, so we got all this. Literally kept the tail light, so we may change out the bulbs. We got the bulbs here, so we'll see.
Gotta go LED.
But usually, yeah, we'll see. Because with the reverse light, it would never really truly turn off.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, so we may just keep the old busted ass orange bulbs in there. But yeah, so we changed out. We're putting in the lights, the button, everything. And Lamont, as y'all see, he hammered this all out, and it's damn near perfect. I think it's perfect by the looks.
I mean, when we did the first floor.
Yeah, it lined up pretty well. So what we're about to do is we're about to shut the trunk and just see if it works.
We ain't gonna shut it, but we gonna get it down.
Yeah, we're gonna. Oh, where's my key? Hold up, wait a minute. Hold on, wait.
You know this black.
Close it.
You need some Rust-Oleum.
All the way?
Yep, close it. Nope.
Okay, hold up.
side looks good. Feels like that.
I see a light on that side, so maybe you need to hammer out that side more. But yeah, we're about to just fix up the alignment, and I don't see any lights, so something is busted or something. So we're going to see what that is. Chris, can you turn on the knob? It's left of the dash of the steering wheel.
If this world was mine.
It's on. Yeah. Just turn it to the left. It's a knob that's on the left of the dash. Okay.
I'm on the damn.
Oh. One trunk light works. All right.
That's all the way on.
One tag light works. So we will see how that works. But yeah, I'll give you guys an update here in a little bit. We're taking this off for sure.
No, we're keeping that.
Oh hell no.
That's the integrity of the truck.
Oh hell no. That's gold.
Huh?
But
I'm holding
all
the
right.
truck now. Let me know.
See y'all in the next update. So far, it was pretty smooth. Let me put this camera down and help the boys. All right, guys. So I almost forgot to record, but the trunk is on. Works perfectly fine. Used all the lights and everything. We didn't even replace it from the original stuff that came on the trunk. We put all my stuff in, and I just got extras. But basically, we kept this cap off, and they had to notch this out just a tad bit. So it's damn near perfect. Like, you just, boom. So, nice good old trunk install. And it looks really good. So, happy to get one thing on. We weren't able to tackle the bumper, but shoot, we'll get there. And I gotta, my boy Chris is gonna try to hook me up and get that bracket remade. So all I did was zip tie it. The Malibu ain't gonna really be moving like that, so we're gonna go from there. But like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Extracurricular activity I'm gonna record. We got the gang out here. We're celebrating our boy Josh's birthday. You can see Becky all the way up there with the tan bag past the family. She's like, I ain't waiting for y'all. It's too hot. So,
Hey,
yeah.
did you give them an update on
Of what?
On the Malibu?
Yeah, they got the update. Yeah, they got the update. That's why you ditched me, because you didn't see me, and you know, I was like, dang, bro, just gone.
In my defense, we don't be at that garage line.
So I told you twice.
You know what? You're not feeding into your bush.
I sold you a drink. But yeah, so we up here at Top Golf. Birthday boy late to his own thing. We were just about to walk inside. Dang. Happy birthday! Hey! Woo! All these people in the way.